Welcome back. I'm Rita-Marie. Illuminate your senses with my channel, your haven for all candle reviews, all of the above, all the cozy vibes you can muster. So I have recently moved and I haven't unearthed all of my candle goodies. So I thought I would show you what I have in store. A few of these I have repurchased. A few of these I'm going to have to wash. I literally just opened this box with a pair of scissors off camera. So right here we have Vampire's Blood from Bath & Body Works. I am about to repurchase this for a third time. This is a staple. It smells so good. It's plum, strawberry, jasmine, and I just love it. And I kept it so when this season rolled around, I would know exactly which one to get. And I've already been Bath & Body Works once, but I have to go back and get a third one because we're just about out. Oh my goodness, this is a big one. So this is from Better Homes and Gardens. This is a citrus and balm. So there's tangerine, grapefruit, pineapple, cedar, balsam, and amber scent notes. This guy is huge and it's beautiful. It's definitely a funky shape. It's very woodsy. It's perfect because now it's cozy vibes. It's been raining all day. So this is definitely one I'm going to put underneath our TV and chill out too. Let's see. I have a DW candle. If you guys have been with me for a while, you guys do know I love DW candles. This is Sunday morning. Yeah, like these are kind of gross. They've been sitting in a box for a little while. This is a relatively brand new one. I want to say this one comes from Target. Cashmere Persimmons with note of apple, fresh quince, melon, ripe persimmons, rose blossom, and musk. The older I get, the more I really appreciate musk. This one lived in our old bathroom. This is another DW Freshly Aroma Pina Colada. Tell you a secret, not the biggest fan of the packaging because as you can see, like it gets all dusty and stuff. This is Siren. This is another DW home. It's crisp, calming. It doesn't give me any notes. It's very fresh. It's very oceany. This one, I know this one comes from Target. This is coconut and honey. I love that amber glass. And it's a crackling wood wick. It is a mini soy. And I'm really gonna have to play with this one. It does smell. It's a very masculine scent. Okay. This is L.E. Chandel. This is my Christmas one. Oh my gosh. I had a whole display where I just had all of my candles like year round, just like out where I can see them all. And this is the lid. I want to say this one came from like Ross or TJ Maxx when I was holiday shopping last year. As you can see, it's a big one. I've used it. It was $8.99. Yeah, it does come from Ross. I was right. It just gives me cozy Christmas vibes. Here is another one. Haven't even had a Halloween yet, and I'm already like super excited. So this is Sand and Fog. This is crushed candy canes. And I just, oh my gosh, I love that peppermint. And it's such a simple, super cute. So thank you so much for watching my unpacking my candles so I can now use all of them and incorporate them into the candles I already use. If you want to share your favorite candles down below, please let me know. I love a good candle. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.